Guys, I think I found the best ice maker out there. Now, this is a Nugget ice maker, and I'm going to show you what it actually makes. But this thing is not only a professional looking and designed machine, but man, oh man, it looks incredible on a counter. Yes, you're going to say, wow, this is a bigger unit. Yes, it's going to take a little bit of space, but it does a huge job. 60 pounds of ice every day. That's in there, in this little compartment right here. So I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like. Obviously, a beautiful screen at the top with touch buttons right here. You can read right here, ice bucket is full. It's been running all night and it just stops when it's full because it doesn't need to continuously run. But the great thing about it is that it keeps the ice in there cold, obviously frozen and ready to use. Look at those little pebbles. I love those little pebbles. Now it does come with a scooper that actually magnetizes next to the water tank right here, so on the water tank. So I'm going to use that scooper and show you the ice. Look at that. Beautiful ice. Obviously, I can take this whole thing off as well if I wanted to. As soon as I took some ice, look at that. It recognizes that, okay, well, I'm not full anymore because I took a little bit of ice and it's automatically making ice. That first batch of ice is going to be made in 6 minutes. Yes, 6 minutes. Now, the coolest thing with this is that usually, typically, an ice maker like this one, or, you know, like it's smaller compadres will have like a smaller unit of water. So basically, you're going to be making a little bit of ice and then you're always refilling. Well, this one has 2 ways that you can use this. This comes with it. This is a full water tank that's attached via this hose right here. And you do have your outlet pipe. And this is, I'm going to talk to you about in just a second, but the water tank literally fills up the actual ice maker machine. Now, if you don't want to use the water tank and you've got a bigger intake, you can even use the top loading tank. So if you've got a bigger tank that you want to use, definitely do that and it will be compatible and you'll have even more ice making. Now, GoveeLife, it's something that we love around in this household. They have a fantastic app, and as you can see, whatever you see on the screen will be replicated on the app, and I can stop it if I want to, and it's on the Wi-Fi network of our house, and I could start it back again. It tells me how much ice I've made since this morning, 1.6 pounds, not so bad. I can change the colors. This is one of my favorite, not useful things, but I think it looks really, really nice. I love changing the colors on here. I mean, I can turn off the light if I wanted to, all that stuff, but the really cool thing with this is that it is by design. The cleaning and descaling is literally one button touch away. So you're literally going to be able to do that right on the machine if you want, or on the app. As you can see, right under the power button, you've got the clean and the descale. Descaling, typically do this about once a month, depending on the usage of your machine. And the clean, it's whenever you need to clean it, whenever you need to maybe store it, you'll be able to press that clean button and just follow the instructions and follow what it tells you to do. But the unit itself is beautiful. It is a more professional unit, as I told you. And the other cool thing that I love is that I've cleaned and descaled other types of machines, and most of the time, or even stored, most of the time, I'm sure that you've been there, you have to grab it and empty it entirely because water's all in the circuits. There's hoses inside, there's all these, compartments for refrigeration. You have to hold it and kind of drain it that way. Well, not this one. This one here, you can actually drain it with the outlet pipe right here. So if I needed to descale or drain, I could literally just have this one drain out in a sink or in a bowl, and I'm good to go. They even give you some extra hoses if you want to get some extensions going. This is awesome as well. They give you that little, I feel like it's kind of like this little big Q-tip to clean all of kind of like those hard to reach spots inside and within the machine. The last thing I need to tell you is how silent it is. We've had machines where the compressor is super, super loud and you hear the ice just being made, and I mean, you can literally hear it all night long, all day long. This thing is whisper quiet, and I love that. It's a beautiful machine. It's going to make ice for a super long time. It's great for parties as well. If you don't want that refrigerator of yours, it's not able to keep up with you, this thing will.